This is not just a photo taken of Istanbul. This is a panoramic view from the flats of Beykent Ram's project. Imtilak is selling the luxury itself.
Do you get this feeling sometimes when you can't find the right words to describe what you see?
Like when seeing such a project.
It's a really high and a wonderful designed building.
Especially when it's in the city center of Istanbul, Maslak.
Above these 52 floors, there are so many details.
A helicopter pad, a 360 moving restaurant, a swimming pool with a view of the city, and Marriott Hotel services.
Wow!
The ceilings in the flats are 4-meter high.
Enough space to feel luxurious.
The project has a complete shopping center, including luxurious brands, and there's also a metro station inside the project. The project is surrounded with many universities and shopping malls and everything you want. The project also is under construction and it will be delivered by the middle of 2025. If you want to have a tour to this wonderful project and to have a look at this luxury lifestyle, contact Imtilak Real Estate.
To be honest, I fell in love with this project.